This is Billy. He's 37 days old. Here his grandma gave him. There's his car seat, and there's his playpen his aunt and uncle Bridgie and Giz gave him. There's his swing that his mom gave him. That's his bunny rabbit and his guitar that his grandma and grandpa gave him. There's his water bed and some more stuffed animals. There's his crib. There's his dresser. That's the balloon he got on the first day he was born.